Good evening. This money awarded from the state, part of the governor's goal of increasing the state's healthcare workforce by 20% over the next 5 years. And SUNY is announcing the second round of this for 16 campuses. Improving the healthcare worker shortage starts with education, according to Kim Stode with the School of Nursing and Allied Health on the list for this state funding.
This funding goes directly to personnel services for faculty hiring. So this helps us to expand the number of seats available for students to become a bachelor's trained registered nurse.
A staffing shortage made worse by the pandemic is how many health professionals are describing it. That includes Kathy Peterson, chair of nursing for SUNY Brockport.
Bedside nurses are in a great demand right now. Many of our area hospitals are using many traveler nurses, they've been great to help out in this horrible shortness of nurses.
But she says their rural region needs nurses at all levels, both registered nurses and primary care nurse practitioners. SUNY Brockport is also receiving this funding. And Peterson says with these dollars, they plan to add half-time faculty members to increase enrollment and clinical placements at federally funded healthcare centers.
And this is really meant to make sure that our students have clinical in rural areas, and many are hired then in those rural areas to practice.
She says so far, 4 students were hired at the federally funded center in the last 5 years, but that number could be higher.
There is a sense of urgency. We know that our patients in rural areas have greater health care disparities than our patients in urban or suburban areas. There's more death from heart disease, cancer, unintentional injury, chronic lung disease.
Both SUNY Brockport and SUNY Empire State College are receiving about $250,000 of this grant. We've been covering the staffing shortages in the healthcare industry for months now. You can find all of those stories over at our website, rochesterfirst.com. Adam.
Thank you, Erica. SUNY Brockport is also adding an additional track for those who want to become an adult geriatric nurse practitioner.